You know what sizes? I want to make sure we got the right.
Taking something in here, Alvin?
Yes.
All this is trash?
I don't even know where it is now, Mr.
Well, because Zane got a 4, and if Cannon is a smaller size, then they probably have them switched up.
I think they're both
4. Yeah, they're both 4s.
Well, I mean, we can wear it next year.
You like your school bus?
They are cute. Did you get them 50%?
Sure does. Say thank you.
Today they have Christmas 50%.
It's kind of rubber. I bet it's durable as all can be.
The Peasy Carrots had their Christmas stuff 50%.
You want me to throw this away?
Yeah, I got the instructions on that.
They don't have it. They don't have it.
Whoa!
Their fall stuff is like 30.
You like it to fall better. Are you honking the horn or is it?